Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see the summary of Sesame or the King's Treasuries, the lecture 1 in Sesame and Lilies by John Ruskin. John Ruskin begins his essay by first apologizing for the ambiguity in the title. Because when we see the title King's Treasuries, we will think about only material things. But he says that the title is ambiguous and figurative in nature because he means the best books written by the most brilliant authors as King's Treasuries and not other material things. In this essay, he speaks about books and the way how we have to read the books. He says that modern education has become materialistic and its only aim is at the advancement of human life. And he says that this aim is definitely narrow. He says that love of praise and repetition moves humankind primarily. On the other hand, duty also moves them secondarily. He says that clever persons wish to become high in status. And to achieve higher status, we should have sincere and good friends. And if you say good friends, best books are our best friends. And all the books he divides into 4 types. The first one is good books of the hour, which is the enlightened talks of some persons, and they could talk about travels or in the form of novel. The second is good books for all life. Third is bad books of the hour, and fourth is bad books for all life. And he says that great authors, statesmen, philosophers and thinkers write only books for all life. Nobody can enter into these books, into their ideas until they stoop. We must enter into the thoughts of such writers, which is definitely a difficult task. Because these writers write long sentences and these sentences are filled with serious thoughts and they also have so many thoughts hidden in those sentences. So, when we read these books which are for life, we should read them carefully. An educated man need not know all things, but he must learn a few languages. This is one advice by Ruskin. And he must be aware of the words and also of its origin. And English language is of a mongrel breed because it has borrowed all the words from different languages. Therefore, their words are deceptive. For example, the word condemn originates from the Greek word damno. It does not have the power of the Greek word in it. Because when you say damno, the impact is more than the word condemn. A good scholar must know the vital meanings of words. Ruskin asks the readers to read Max Muller's The Science of Languages to understand English language better. Later, he also analyzes Milton's Lycidas and he considers Milton as a great scholar. Common minds are full of filth and prejudice, and he says that their minds must be cleansed. It is necessary to burn the jungle of bad ideas than to sow the fertile ground among thorns. The real gift of great writers is that they kindle passion in us. Passions are good things, but they must be tested and disciplined. In England, passion means low-headed crimes. Actually, Ruskin attacks English people and he says that English people are under the control of passion. They spend a lot of money and time in horse and not in books. English people despise science. There are very few utilitarian inventions in England when compared with other countries. English arts are far behind other countries. English people destroy nature and create race course. English economics is also very poor. There is wide gap between the rich and the poor. The churches and the cathedrals are also current in England because they are very powerful. Ruskin concluded his lecture by saying that a nation rich in literature would be the best in the world. Therefore, a king must be sympathetic to his people and he should encourage people to read more books. Thus, he concludes this essay. If you have anything more to add on to what I have said, please write it in the comment box. Like the video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.